Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a better alternative, honestly an upgraded version of OpenClaw, and trust me, this one is super interesting. It's called MaxClaw by Minimax, and the best part is everything runs in the cloud, so you don't have to set up anything, no API keys, no installation and nothing at all. But what makes it really interesting is that it's not just for search or generating reports, it can actually work like a personal AI assistant, and you can even connect it to Telegram or Slack. So let's get started and set it up. First of all, just click on start now and create your account. You can simply choose your Google account. It will be created instantly just like I am doing here. Once that's done, click on start now again, and now you can begin setting it up. Here you need to choose your expert or agent type, basically what you want to specialize in. You got options like visual lab, intel trading, topic tracker, image graph, industry reports and lot of more options. I'm going to go with the industry research expert, so it can analyze any industry and generate a full report from just a prompt. Now it's waking up, and now you can see it's setting up everything and it's done. As you can see, MaxClaw is ready. You can either use it directly into cloud or you can connect it with apps like Telegram. I will show you how it works inside the cloud first, then we will move to Telegram. So let's give it a task. I will type analyze AI market trends in 2026 and create a short report. Now on the right side you will see live preview, and on the left side all the sub agents working in the background. That's one of the coolest part. It does not really just rely on one AI, it uses multiple sub-agents. Some handle research, some handle writing, some handle structuring, and all working together to build a complete report. And now it's done. It generated a full report after researching, and it even created files for us like a PDF, an HTML version, highlights, and a complete folder with everything. Let's open the report. Here's the HTML version. You can also download the PDF in one click. It even includes all the sources with proper link, which is super useful. Now you can see it includes all of the key resources with their links where it takes information from. Now let's try connecting it to Telegram too. I will type connect with Telegram, and now you can see we have to create our Telegram bot. It will also give you a guide how you can create your bot, but I will show you quickly how you can do that. You have to just open bot father on the Telegram. I will leave link in the description box below. Then you need to click on create new bot. You have to give your bot a name like anything you want, and then a username that should be ants with bot. Once that's done, you will get a bot token. You have to copy that bot token and paste it into MaxClaw and send it. Then you will receive a pairing code too. You have to just copy the code and paste it here. That's all, your Telegram is connected. Now you can use your AI assistant directly from Telegram. You can generate reports, images, do research, everything without opening. Let's test it first. I ask what you can do for me, and it shows all capabilities: research, coding, documents, web information, reminder, analysis, writing and more. Now I will try something fun. Here you can see I just said create a funny cat image. Even though it's not mainly an image model, but I am sure it will create something for us. If you select like a image model, it will create more better output. Meanwhile it's creating image, let's create another Claw expert and build something different. So you can see we are going to select trend intel this time. It's like a social media team, or you can say the social media expert. Currently you can see waking up the MaxClaw and installing knowledge skills and preparing your cloud server. And meanwhile you can see our image is ready too. You can open this in a complete big screen if you click this link, and if you want to download this, you can download this too. Now our agent is set it up. Now we can test it. You can test it using the Telegram just like we did, or you can just test it on the cloud browser too, just like I'm doing here. So now I will give it a task. Give me 10 viral YouTube ideas in AI niche, and it started to working on that. You also have a like option called skills, where you can create new skills or you can install skills if you want. So I will just click on the skills button, and here you can see skills by Minimax created by another users. And if you want to create a new skill, just click on create button, and you can just describe what skill you want to create, and you can create it right away. So meanwhile our agent did this work. You can see here are the 10 YouTube viral AI niche. So that's how you can see it gives us 10 completely AI niche ideas, and it also gives us the complete hook. There's also option to schedule task. If you want to schedule your task like doing some research at a specific time or something like this, it can schedule that task too. And here we have the complete asset library which you can explore. It also helps us to create like presentation and lot more features which you can do with the Minimax agent. So it's capable of lot of things. So I will put link in the description box below so you can try. If we talk about the pricing, there's a free plan too, which is like for $0, where you get 200 credits per day, and basic plans start from just $16 on the yearly basis and $90 on the monthly basis. So I'll put link in the description box. Go test it out. That's all for today's video.